សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Let's continue from the previous video but in different lesson. Like the other day my video it was about positive sentence like ខ្ញុំទៅផ្សារ so ខ្ញុំ is I ទៅ is go to ផ្សារ is market I go to the market ខ្ញុំទៅផ្សារ so how to get the negative sentence to this sentence you have to say ខ្ញុំមិនទៅផ្សារទេ ខ្ញុំមិនទៅផ្សារទេ or you can say ខ្ញុំអត់ទៅផ្សារទេ so you see how the different sometimes we use odd or sometimes we use មិន I don't go to the market in Khmer we say ខ្ញុំមិនទៅផ្សារទេខ្ញុំមិនទៅផ្សារទេខ្ញុំអត់ទៅផ្សារទេខ្ញុំអត់ទៅផ្សារទេ and how to ask in question we say តើអ្នកទៅផ្សារទេតើអ្នកទៅផ្សារទេ or you can say តើអ្នកទៅផ្សារអត់ or you can just say ទៅផ្សារអត់ or you want it to be polite you say បងទៅផ្សារអត់បងទៅផ្សារអត់ it mean people that older than you woman or man you can just say បង but when you see they too old it mean like you think it can be like your aunt your uncle you can say Ming or Pu in Khmer we kind of like to address people you know like you បង uncle auntie and so on so to show some respect when we address them we kind of like give them respect you know but you know when we speak everyday speaking we don't really say តើអ្នកទៅផ្សារទេ or តើអ្នកទៅផ្សារអត់ it way too long you know we like to cut it short so you just say ទៅផ្សារអត់ it mean go to the market or not or you want to talk to people that older than you you say បង if they a lot older you say you call them like a uncle or auntie in Khmer we say uncle is like a or pu auntie like Ming yeah you address them and then you say ទៅផ្សារអត់ when you say just only ទៅផ្សារអត់ it means like you talk to the same age or people who you know younger than you